Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. I have to come on here because I just got done crying. I want to thank, first of all, I want to thank everybody that sends me stuff. I don't always do videos because sometimes people get upset. I don't want people to feel that they have to send me something. I love when you guys send me stuff. So if I don't always show it, it's it's because I feel I don't know. It makes me feel weird sometimes because I don't want people to think that you have to, because you don't. Do I love it? I do. Do I appreciate it? You bet. It is. It makes me beyond my heart so full. And so anyway, let me do this because I just okay. I feel so weird because I am so emotional right now. Okay, first, I want to thank Angie. I thanked her on Instagram because I know that she's on there a lot, and so I took a picture and I thanked her. I love this. This is from Angie. She sent me a beautiful note, and so I want to thank her. Thank you very much, Angie. Angie's Art Channel, Angie Lupus Life, and all that. I also got from. Let me just want to make sure, from Mickey, and she sent, this is the Giving Keys, and it is embrace your word, then pay it forward to a person you feel who needs the message more than you. And so I'm sorry, that's my daughter, of course, as soon as I get on here. I'm going to be forwarding this because this will go to somebody to share their story as well. I decided, I mean, I've shared my story a million times, and then I'm just going to show you a couple of the things that she sent. Oh my gosh, my family is just delicious today. So yes, this is from Mickey, and this is this really cool uh, pencil, which I've never seen before, and it's a number 2, and it's a push, and it has this. I'm going to be using this to draw, and then of course, you know, I'm a Halloween lover. I love the skulls. I love the cats. I love the ghosts. I love it all. Everything Halloween, whether it's creepy or not, I love it. So thank you, Mickey, and this will be going forward to somebody. So then I opened the mail today, and my nose is still running. This is okay. So first, this is from Danielle. I don't want to show her address. And it is a beautiful, it is a beautiful card she made, and it says, "You are enough." And she sends me stuff a lot, and I love it. And I will have to show you up on my wall where I've been putting everything. And she wrote me, Kelly, you are enough. They know it. That's why they loved us so much and why we love them so much, which is why it hurts so badly. I'm so sorry about Max. Love to you all, Danielle. And she did this beautiful and just made me cry. And she sends me a little bit of, I know she's going to be mad for me doing that, but she'll send me, you know, a couple bucks here and there. And she just, and it helps so much. So thank you so much, Danielle. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. And then I opened this from Veronica. And then between opening Danielle's and this, and then I about fell off my chair. She did this beautiful, and then she put a heart with my son's name, Jared. And it is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just, like I said, I'm in tears. I didn't even put out the rest of the stuff that she sent in the envelope because, oh, I see. It's so cute. Because I just am blown away. You guys, your kindness means so much to me. And I just don't know what to do with myself sometimes because, so I got these beautiful I think I got my hair falling out because I just been sitting here like, oh, wiping my face. So heart and butterfly and this awesome clown. I don't know where you got that from, but I love it. And I need 1,000 more. So I'm going to trace that, make that a stencil. Sorry. And then this little cute dog. So I just don't know what to do with myself. You guys are so wonderful and supportive and loving. And I could go on. I have just so many more things. So I have a lot of RAKs, random acts of kindness, going out. So if you are in my group, All Things Creative, please go into the files and make sure that your address is up to date, because I'm sending out a lot of stuff, a lot of random acts of kindness, a lot of things for, oh gosh, I can't breathe, for all the things in my group. For people who have answered, Centerfold was the answer in the one song. I'm sending out you guys a little something. So for those of you who did that, I'm sending out Punchinello for those of you. So please make sure, if you are in my group, that you have updated your address, and make sure that you emailed me your address, for whether you emailed it or whether you wrote it on Facebook and sent me addresses for a little something something coming in the mail. So you guys rock. You guys make me just keep going. Today was a day that it was like crappy art and it wasn't coming out good, and you guys just, your comments mean the world to me. Your emails mean the world to me. And so, yeah, I just wanted to come on and thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Like I said, when you guys send me something, let me know when you send it, if it's okay for me to show. Some people don't like it. Other people, they do. So, yeah, thank you guys. I love you guys so very much. Keep being kind to each other. Make sure you guys read the comments in my videos, especially when I ask my daily questions. When people respond, make sure you go through the comments and respond to people, to be supportive, because that's kind of what I want to do. It just make you guys just make me happy. So, okay, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.